Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this is Catagini Park in Melville, Western Australia. Usually, I hire the hall that I can see. You can't; it's just right here in front of me. But it's such a beautiful morning that we're going to have somebody come and join us. Somebody's no. As I was saying to my people here, we're at a park, so I was about to say we'll probably get visits from dogs and people. So. No panic. Yeah, because we're out in nature, so this is what's going to happen. But we are going to keep it a low level. We're going to use 2 hand weights, and we are going to just get our body moving this morning. So let's take our arms up, nice and wide, and we're going to clasp our hands and go up to the ceiling. And here we're going to have a good breath in. And out. And around. And again, just get some, well, I'm getting fresh air inside my body. Hopefully, you could take this workout outside as well if you wanted to. You're going to breathe in and out. You're on demand, will take you wherever you want to do your Pilates. One more time. Up we go. Stretch, 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 stretch. Nice breath in. And out. And around. Beautiful. I just realized I just forgot to take my keys out of my pocket. So let's not try and do anything. There. Okay, shoulders over. Chin on the chest. We're going to do our first roll down. So make sure we're stacking those ribs on top of each other here. Really creating that beautiful arch in the spine before we start to head on down. Stacking. Looking through the legs. And now let's just release and start to head down. Little unlock of the knees. And then we're going to lift. And then we're going to start to stack the ribs again as we come up to undo the up. And a big shoulder roll at the top. A couple more of those. Shoulders over. Chin to the chest. Start to stack the ribs on top of each other. Create that beautiful arch in the spine. We're not taking the hips down yet. Now, release and head down. Float the arms. And up we come. Stacking the ribs back on top of each other. And a big shoulder roll. One more of those. Over. And up. Take our feet just a little bit wider apart, just a tiny bit wider than hip width. Going to be going down again, but what I want you to do is when we start to head down, we're going to track our hands on the inside of our legs. Once we get the hands past the knees, we're going to start to bend them down. You've got to keep your hands going down till your elbows are matching your knees. Push your knees apart a little bit. Land your fingers around your toes. Take your bottom down towards the mat, and your chest is coming just to straight up. And we're going to look back to the back of the mat, and we're going to come on up. A big shoulder roll. Beautiful. Let's go down and roll our boat. Shoulders over. Bend to the knees. Grabbing our elbows and rolling past that straight leg. So if you've not done rowing the boat with me before, we'll push one hip out and straighten the other one. So without the arms, it's kind of like a lunge with the hips moving from side to side. Then we add the arms and we row past the straight leg, really row past them. It warms up everywhere in the body. Just imagine you're in a kayak and everybody's watching and you want to make a move. And you've been coming to Pilates and you're so strong now. You're like, right, I'm going to show off this new strength. We've got two more. Last one. Beautiful. Let's grab behind the ankles, bend the knees right down. But this one, we're just going to look through. We're going to come on. Beautiful. Right. Let's scrap our hand weights now. I'm going to hold one out still. They're both coming up to shoulder height. One is just going to stay there. The other one we're doing little circles with. Doesn't matter which way, we're going to turn that around shortly. 3, 2, 1, and the other way. 3, 2, 1, and swapping arms, little circles. 3, 2, 1, turn it around. 3, 2, 1. Okay, take that arm you just worked straight up to the sky or ceiling, and you're going to do bigger circles with the other. Now, you're not going to be flinging your body around as you do this. You want your hips staying to the forward. So adjust the range of your circle so that it's not taking your side body with it. 3, 2, last one, and the other way. 3, 2, last one. Hold that arm up and big circles with the other arm. 3, 2, last one, and the other way. 3, 2, last one. Beautiful. And just bring the arms down. Excellent. Let's just take one in our hands. I'm just going to go to the side. We're going to do our back arch. So we're going to take the hands up, push your hips forward, and a nice back arch. I'm just holding the bubbly bits of my hand weight. Up we go. Nice back arch. And 4, 2 more. Last. Beautiful. Just pop the hand weight anywhere nearby. I'm going to take a lunge. I'm going to step forward. Just lunging. And straighten that body. Now, the more times we do this, I want to try and keep that back heel down. At first, it'll be a bit tough, so you can raise it a little bit. But with each next one, just try to focus on keeping that heel down and feel the nice stretch through the calf. And up. 3, 2. Last one, hold it here. We're going to take ourselves down. And we're going to come back up. Try not to use your knee, but if you need to, you can. By that, I mean when you're coming up, if you need to give yourself a boost. Try not to, but you can. Down. 2 more. I'm going to hold the next one down. Get yourself nice and comfortable. We're taking one arm up to the ceiling. So it's the arm of the leg going to the back. It's a bit hard to do the other direction. Two more. The last one. Okay, so let's try the other direction now. Take ourselves up. I keep that heel down. It's a bit harder when you're coming the other way. And 3. 2. Last one. And you can use your knee this time. You've been down there for a minute. Take ourselves up. Just turn to the other side. We'll just start with the lunge. Forward. And up. Forward. And beautiful. And 4. And 3. 2. The last one. Just hold it here. We're going to take ourselves down. And we're going to lift up. And we'll take ourselves down. Our last thing is standing, by the way. We're going to head down to the mat after this. 3. 2. Holding it down. We're going to take the long leg arm up first. Nice stretch. And up. And 3. 2. Last one. And we're going to do the others. Up. I'll keep that the back heel down. Up. And 3. 2.